ang konsensya? At masasabi ba ng harapan ni Corina Sanchez na wala siyang natanggap ni Cinco sa naging interview nito kay Sara Diskaya ngayon na itinuturo sa isa sa nagwaldas sa mga flood control projects dahil na rin sa isiniwalat at ibinahagi nitong yaman na talaga namang nakakalula. Viral at lumabas ang naging interview ni Julius Babaw kay Sara Diskaya noong 2024 kung saan ibinahagi nito ang kanyang mga luxury cars. Sinabi pa niya na bumili siya ng Rolls-Royce Cullinan dahil rin sa payong. Ang nasabing mga halaga ng sasakyan na luxurious ay umabot halos sa 408 million. Ang Rolls-Royce binili niya dahil lang sa payong na nagkakahalaga ng 33 million. Say ng ibang mga netizen sa MMS at iba pa, wow, Sara Diskaya's 40 super luxury car collection. Diskaya is the owner of St. Timothy and St. Gerard, is one of the top 15 DPWH contractors named by BBM who are responsible for substandard flood control projects. Dahil nga sa mga interview na ito nila Julius at Corina na ibahagi ng isang netizen ang makabagdamdaming interview ni Jessica Soho kay Mayor Magalo. Say ni Cairo C., in a time when journalism holds the power to shape narratives, it becomes clear who the real journalists are. One chooses to give the spotlight to a personality clouded by allegations of corruption, unwittingly handing them clout despite the red flag screaming from their fleet of luxury cars. Meanwhile, Jessica Soho, a name that has long stood for credibility, uses her platform to confront the hard truths, digging deep into issues of governance, holding leaders accountable, and giving voice to the public robbed by corruption. This is the true role of journalism, not to glorify but to question, not to enable but to expose. And it is in this consistency of service to truth and accountability that Jessica Soho rightfully earns her place as one of the Philippines' most trusted journalists, respected, unmatched, and ever relevant. Well, ano kaya ang masasay dito ni Corina Sanchez? Trabaho lang, walang personalan, at ni Julius Babaw. Dapat nga naman ang mga journalists ay dinidig kung saan nanggaling, kung paano sila kumita, at ano ang dahilan bakit may ganoon silang karaming sasakyan. Well, ang oras at panahon na nga ang nag-reveal. Say nila, ito ay para ma-inspire ang marami. Ngayon napatunayan daw ng marami na hindi lahat ng magandang kwento ay nakaka-inspire. Yan ang ating Showbiz Love Update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.